Alright, to adding street elements, I searched street lights. You could find any type and pick. You could choose any type you like. Maybe something like that. Or this, depends on you. Allow me to find one large, high quality with match angle. I think this is not bad actually. Alright, I download it. The quality is fine. Alright, I download it and bring it into the scene. On the top, angle is not bad. A bit wrong, but it is fine. Control or Command T. And this part of angle is not so correct. So I could move it down behind the blocks, maybe here. Behind the block, maybe here, it is fine. And a bit smaller. Alright. Maybe too large, make it smaller. I could mask them later. For now, just copy. Hold on the Control or Command key and make mask. I think we need a small adjustment here. A bit shift edge inside. A bit feather, a bit contrast. Maybe less feather. Okay. It's getting better. Select a layer, Control or Command M to bring curves. I will make it a bit darker. The edges are too bright actually. I don't like, so I select the mask, brush, and 100% flow, not too smooth. And click, hold on Shift and click. Alright, maybe something like that is better. Also for these edges, not so noticeable, but still better to refine it. Okay, and that's fine. Control or Command M. I change the channel to blue, a bit bluish, and a bit red to make it magenta, not too much. Less green value, of course, we don't need, and more blue maybe. Red is too much because of green. Okay, still too much. I think I should decrease the value. Okay, image adjustment and exposure, a bit exposure, and gamma correction. Allow me to check. It is better. Also, I could apply hue saturation, colorize, bluish, but much less. You could actually add blue values any amount you like, something like that. Check here. Okay, and then here is my hue saturation applied on my smart layer. If I double click on the name, I could readjust the value. But in the right side, this icon, if I double click, we have blending options. You could change the blending, for example, something like multiply, you see, or overlay, and I could decrease the opacity. Allow me to check before and after. It is getting more fits. Alright, Now allow me to find my grids here. Move it up as a guide. I think we need here. Make it visible. Alright, hold on the Alt or Option key and clone your light. Maybe about here, and you could even use these lines as a guide. So if you check, here is the top, it's getting here. So hold on the Shift key and make it smaller. Okay, I think that's correct. Okay. Hold on the Alt or Option key and clone again. Because I have a smart guides, as you see, it's showing distance. Maybe here, about 1, 2, 3 block. Control or Command T. Okay, and again make it smaller. Alt drag here, Control T, and again smaller. A bit smaller. Allow me to check. A bit taller. Something like that. Alright. Try to match the lines too, so don't go too deep. Also, you could find from here. Allow me to check. Yeah, the position is almost correct. It is not so necessary to be too much accurate, but it is nice to attention these details. All right. Control click, copy here. Control or Command T. Sadly, we don't have grid guide here, so I just trying to find. Okay, not bad. And repeat until to get any places you're happy. And maybe one less here. About 3.5. Alright. Not bad. I kept them all as smart. So to make simply mask for all of them, click one side, hold on the Shift key and click other side. Allow me to check. It should be that one. Yep. Hold on the Shift key and click. I select them all and press Ctrl or Command G or create a group. Lights 1. Collapse this. Okay. And if I right click, I could find that layer I made as a blocks. It is better to organize and rename. Double click blocks. Hold on the Control or Command key and click on the layer thumbnail to select based on information you see. And go up, choose your group, and simply you could make mask, but because we need inverted mask, hold on the Alt or Option key and click on the mask. That's it, you see? We simply and quickly made mask. I will add lights later on because this is almost night or sunrise or sunset, I don't know. but it is almost dark, so we need work on lights a lot. We could also replicate for here. So Control and click, hold on the Alt or Option key and click here. Control or Command T, okay. Alt drag, allow me to bring back my guides. We don't have any guide here, but you could use this building as a reference. I will make something like that. All right. Maybe 2. Yeah, spacing is not bad here. It is better. Resize it. And here, smaller. And maybe here. We could continue. Bring it a bit down. And make it smaller. And maybe one more last here. Okay. Not too small, but okay. Again, I could apply mask here, but because we already applied the mask for this group, so right click and find your bushes here. Hold on the Control or Command key to select. Now select your mask. Make sure your foreground color is black. Press Alt, Delete or Option Backspace. And we already added mask here. Okay, I think that's fine.